Alright, hey guys. Notice there's not a lot of good videos of folks replacing rear wheels on Aprilia Futuras. Being it is an older bike, not a whole lot of them out there. But anyway, it's time for this rear tire to get swapped out, so I'll show you how to remove the tire. First thing is to retrieve your tools from underneath your seat. Yeah, let's try it like this. For those that have been doing this for a while, leave some comments. Let me know if you do things any differently or what. Alright, let's see here. So first thing you're going to need is a tool like this. I think I just got it off eBay or Amazon. They're used on bicycle tires. Or something like that, I guess. I don't know. Let's see here. Nope. Hang on one second. Alright. Next thing, get yourself a good pair of snap ring pliers. That out. Now you can pull this out. I just like to thread it in a little bit. Pulls that out. Try and keep everything together. Don't want to be losing stuff. Okay. Next tool you need, this guy. Okay. So I like to use a 22 mil. There you go. Now you want to get this ring out here. Be careful right here. You'll see where there's a little divot. That's part of the Woodruff key guide. You'll see when it comes out. To that guy. Note the orientation. It is beveled. So, like I said, there's this little Woodruff key, little guide right there. So, all right, that's the wheel off. All right, so finally got done mounting the new tire to the wheel, and we're going to go about remounting it to the bike. Alright, so first step is to line it up. So, key thing you want to be aware of, you see these three holes here? They just so happen to line up with the three pins on the axle. So we'll want to make sure these line up with those guys. Also, as we discussed before, make sure that Woodruff key is on the axle. Alright, so this is always a little tricky. There it is. Okay. Now let's grab the parts we had stood up before. to start with this guy. Again, make sure the guide lines up with the woodruff key. That's good, like so. And then we'll go about putting this guy. I do say to put some grease on it. I have some very waterproof, just a smidge. Because you got to torque this thing down pretty good. Okay, and then it's 125. So I got this big guy. Go and set it. 125 foot-pounds, and whatever that is in Newton meters. And that's 125. And again, I'm not a fan of putting in gear to tighten it down. I just like to hit the brake. Click, click. Just back in its stowing space. Torque. That's good. Alright. Now for the final bits. So put this guy in first. And you'll notice, I don't know if you can see it, well, you probably can't see it. Inside there's a little screw. You just want to make sure the castle nut lines up so that it goes in all the way. And you can tell when it goes. That's not it. That's not it. Not it. That's it. See where there's a recedes a little bit inside the axle. And take your circlip. Okay, make sure it's all the way in. There, that's good. Yeah, and then I just put this guy back on. That's it. New tire installed, axle checked. Looking good. Thanks, guys.